Hi everyone, my name is Liana Afira and I'm studying in Center of Foundation UiTM Dengkil. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial using Excel to create students' monthly attendance. So let's get started. First thing first, type in the title on cell A1. To make your title bigger, select on cell A1 and drag until your preference size of title. After that, click on Merge and Center, and to place your title in the middle of the merge, click Middle Align. Select Bold and choose your preference size of the title. At the bottom of the title, type in Absence Type Key. Select on column A and drag the column rightward to make the cell slightly bigger. Click back on the cell and select Center to make the sentence on the center of the cell. If you want to add colors to the cell, select Fill Color and choose your preference color. Next step, type in the month of the student's monthly attendance. Select the row of the month and drag the row downward to make the cell slightly bigger. Click Center and click Middle Align to place the word in the middle of the cell, and then choose your preference size of the word. At the bottom of the month, click on a cell and drag until how many columns and how many rows you want for your table. Click on the tab Insert and choose Table. At the table style options, give a tick at the total row, first column and last column. As you guys can see, there's a button at the table and we don't need them. So, untick the filter button at the table options. Going to the next, make your page smaller. Select column B until the second last column of the table. Drag one of the column to make the cell slightly smaller. Then, zoom back in your page. If you notice, the title has become smaller. So, drag the title cell until what you prefer, and then double-click on Merge and Center. Next step, type in the key of the absence reason at the Absence Type Key row. You can add colors on the cell by select Fill Color on the tab. Click Center to center out your key. Select on both of the cells of the description of the key and click Merge Cells. Do the same to the rest of the keys. More steps. Beside the cell of the month, type in dates of absence. Click on the cell and drag until the second last column of the table. And then click on Merge and Center. Besides the cell dates of absence, type in the year. The above of the second column table, type in month represents Monday. Place your cursor at the bottom right of the cell and drag until second last of the column table. The day will automatically fill up. Next, at the column 1 of the table, type in student's name. At the column 2, type in number 1. Place your cursor at the bottom right of the cell and drag until the second last of the column. The dates will automatically fill up. At the last column, type in total days. Select the column AG and drag to make the cell slightly bigger. Click on the total days cell and select Center. After that, you can key in your student's name. Also, you can key in the student's absence based on the key that you made. Just copy the key that you made and paste it into the table. At the first row of the total days column, type in equal, count A, bracket, and select the data of the student's row. And then put a bracket and click enter. Total days of absence for all students will automatically fill up. To make a bar at the cell, select all the data and go to tab Home, Conditional Formatting, and choose Data Bars. You can always custom your bar by click on Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. At the first column of the total row, type in equal, count A, bracket, and choose the data of the day 1 of the month, and put another bracket. Then, click enter. Value will fill up represents how many students absent on that day. Place your cursor at the bottom right of the cell and drag until the second last column to fill up the other data. At the bottom of the table, type in number of students with over 4 days of absence. Select all the cells that include the sentence and click on Merge and Center. Beside it, type in equal, count if, bracket, and choose the data of the total days for all students. Put a comma, quotation mark, and type in the criteria. In this case, it is over 4. And then put another quotation mark and bracket. At the bottom of it, type in average. Select on the cell and drag until it is the same length as the above. Then click Merge and Center. Beside it, type in equal, average, bracket, and then select all the data of the total days for all students, and then type in another bracket. As step, select all the data that you just made, go to Borders, and select all borders. It will look like a table. And your students' monthly attendance is already done. You can always make your data neater by adjusting the size, merge and center on bold and not too bold, and the others. I hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching.